On this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat something went wrong. So there is three ways to fix this problem. The first way is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. On the apps manager right here, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find Snapchat like this, and when you find it, click on it. Now when you click on Snapchat, click here on this force stop and then go down into the storage, click on it, click on clear data, clear cache, and then click on the data usage, disable all these four options and enable them back again. That's the first way. The second way is you have to go to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode right here, enable it for 10 seconds, and after that disable it. And the last way and the third one is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Snapchat and update it very easy and quickly. That's it guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.